All right. So yesterday we did les adjectifs démonstratifs, and today we have to do les adjectifs interrogatifs. Adjective interrogative is basically an interrogative adjective, which is basically asking a type of a question. Majorly it translates as which or what. Yeah. And now let's understand, because again, this will also have gender and all of that, plurality in gender. So let's understand this further. Okay. So interrogative adjectives mean which or what, but they have no fixed shape of their own. They act like mirrors of what? Nouns, right? They change to match the noun's gender, whether it's masculine or feminine, and as well as singular or plural. Yeah. So these are the four adjective interrogative. And the fun fact is, all of them are pronounced as quel. This is also quel, the first one. This is also quel, the second one. Third one is also pronounced as quel. Fourth is also quel, right? This one is masculine, singular. Yeah. This one is feminine, singular. This one is masculine, plural. This one's feminine, plural. Yeah. So these are four adjective interrogative, which will be a question which or what. This is also which what, this is also which or what, this is also which or what, this is also which or what. Now let's understand how to use it in a sentence as well. Yeah. So for instance, which book? Now book in French happens to be masculine. So quel livre? Everyone repeat with me. Quel livre?
Quel livre?
Quel livre?
Okay. So we can say quel livre préfères-tu? Which book do you prefer? Yeah. Chien is again masculine. So again masculine quel? Quel chien? Quel
Quel
chien?
chien?
Quel chien?
Right? Which day? What day? Quel jour? Quel jour?
Quel jour?
Quel jour?
Quel t-shirt? Quel
Quel
t-shirt?
t-shirt?
Chef?
Yeah, because all of these nouns are masculine. Now let's see feminine nouns, right? So, quelle robe?
Quel robe?
Oh,
Which dress do you prefer? Blue or red? Whatever. Quelle maison? Quelle maison?
quelle maison?
Quelle maison?
Quelle couleur?
Quelle couleur?
Quelle couleur?
Quelle voiture?
Quelle voiture?
Quelle voiture?
All these nouns are feminine, which is why we've used the feminine adjective interrogative, right? So again, everything boils down to what the gender of the noun is, right? Moving on. If the object is plural, now it's masculine plural, we use QUELS. Quel livre? Quel
Quel
livre?
livre?
Quel
Quel livre?
ami?
Quel ami?
But over here we'll be using liaison. So quels amis? Quels amis?
Quels amis?
Quels amis?
Quel pantalon?
Quel
Quel
pantalon?
pantalon?
Quelle chaussure?
Quelle
Quelle
chaussure?
chaussure?
Quelle robe?
Quelle robe?
Quelle fleur?
Quelle
Quelle
fleur?
fleur?
So on the right hand side, the objects are feminine, and left hand side objects are masculine. Hence, we have quel as masculine plural, and on the right hand side, we have quelle, which is feminine plural. Right? All right. So, for instance, let's look at some sentences. Quel est ton nom? What is your name? Quel est ton nom? So, your
Quel est ton nom?
surname, right? And the response can be mon nom et whatever, right? Quelle est ta profession? Now, profession in French happens to be feminine. So, the quelle that we have chosen is feminine singular, right? Now, if it is a plural sentence, if it's a plural noun, quels sont tes hobbies? Or instead of hobby, we can say loisirs. Quels sont tes loisirs? This is more, more appropriate than hobby. Quels sont tes loisirs? What are your hobbies? Right? And let's see if there's a feminine. More. Okay. Quel âge as-tu? Now, age in French happens to be masculine. Quelle est ta couleur préférée? So we see the next noun. Don't get confused if there's a verb soon after quel, which most likely will be verb être. Look at the next noun after quel. Quelle est ta couleur préférée? Right? So préférée is also in the feminine form. Couleur is anyway feminine. Quel sport aimes-tu? Sport is masculine and plural. So masculine plural quel. Quelle langue parles-tu? Which languages do you speak? Languages happen to be feminine, and in this case, it's also plural. Which languages do you speak? So, quelle. Is this clear, everyone? Any questions? Yeah?
Oui.
C'est clair, vous avez compris? Okay. Again, look at the noun, if it's masculine or feminine. If it's masculine, then quelle. Masculine plural, then quelle with S. If it's feminine, quelle, Quelle. Feminine plural, Quelles. So please remember this. Now let's do a small activity. Dash livre lis-tu? What will be the answer?
Quel,
Quelle, which one?
masculine.
Masculine singular, correct. Quel. The second one,
Quelle robe,
masculine, feminine.
feminine.
Mm.
Quelle robe portes-tu aujourd'hui? What is the meaning of this one?
What do you want? What do you wear today?
Which dress are you wearing
Oh,
today?
yeah.
Yeah. Next, this one.
Quels amis
Quels
viennent?
amis? Meaning? What does the
How many?
sentence? It's not how many, it's what or
No.
which.
Which friends coming?
Which friends are coming? Correct. Dash chaussures sont-elles?
Quelle chaussure,
Quelle
feminine plural.
feminine plural. What does this mean?
Which shoes
Which shoes?
ours are?
There.
Are they? Are they? Because il and elle are also, it
Oh,
and they,
yes.
them. Yeah. Don't get confused. Right. All right. Hmm.
And
Yeah.
if we
Hmm.
combine masculine and plural together, like masculine and feminine together,
It
so
will be
which would
masculine always.
masculine?
Hmm. Please remember, if there are 99 females or feminine objects and one masculine also, we'll use the masculine plural form
Mhm.
in French.
Okay.
Yeah. 99 girls and one boy, it'll always be considered as il plural, ILS. Yeah. And that also applies to objects. Yeah. Okay. Another one. Dash est ton film préféré, which is, what will be the answer?
Quel est ton
Correct. Quel est ton film préféré? Now, film is masculine, hence we've used the masculine singular one. Now, film préféré est Amélie. Et dash musique écoutes-tu? What will be the answer?
quel
Quel, which one?
feminine?
Correct. Very good. Quelle musique? Because musique happens to be feminine in French. J'écoute du jazz. I listen to jazz. Right? I hope everybody has also revised tenses. I hope you know what are these verbs and all of that. Yeah, by now you should be. I hope you guys are also practicing Duolingo and all, right? It will help you recap all of this. And I think we've uploaded almost all the recordings on YouTube also. Yeah, which I would like that you also see if you want to, just do a quick recap sort of. Yeah, we've uploaded a lot of these, and a lot of episodes of Emma in Paris have been uploaded. right? Which you can see episode 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is episode 5. Look at it, and repeat the video multiple times and see. And we've uploaded most likely, yeah, we uploaded till lesson 23, right? And we'll be uploading the latest ones, which is this week's by tomorrow. So the ones who want to watch, please watch, right? All of these have been uploaded for you, all these lessons. So you can go revise specifically tenses, IR, RE verbs, future tense, all of this I want you to revise, right? So please regularly revise. All of this has been uploaded, and also, these this will really help you guys a lot. Yeah, like for instance, I think I've shown you episode 1 and episode 2. Episode 3 is somewhat like this.
Réservation d'un taxi. Bonjour.
Bonjour mademoiselle.
Je voudrais un taxi s'il vous plaît.
Pour quel hôtel?
Hôtel Le Marais.
Quelle adresse exactement?
Rue de la Verrerie, numéro 12.
D'accord, Montez.
Combien ça coûte environ?
Environ 60 €.
Deliberately kept the voice a little slow paced.
Dans le taxi, conversation avec le chauffeur. Bonjour, merci pour le trajet.
De rien. Première fois à Paris.
Oui, première fois.
Vous allez aimer.
Le trajet dure combien de temps?
Environ 45 minutes.
Ça dépend de la circulation.
Oui, exactement.
Paris est très beau, non?
Oui, la plus belle ville du monde.
Yeah, and this is the last one.
Arrivé à l'hôtel. Bonjour. Bonjour mademoiselle. Bienvenue. Je suis arrivée. Vous avez une réservation? Oui, au nom d'Emma Dubois. Parfait. La chambre est prête. Merci. Quel étage? 3e étage, chambre 312. Il y a un ascenseur. Oui, à droite.
So these are like simple dialogues. Just watch one per day. I'll be uploading 30 such dialogues, right? Like a story of Emma. So she's come to Paris, what's her life like, in Paris. Then she goes to eat something, drink something. So every episode will give you a small, vocabulary lesson. I've kept the dialogues very simple, the pronunciations very slow, like slowly they're speaking French and all of that. So at least beginners like yourself can catch up with it, right? I'll be uploading full-length videos also shortly on YouTube. So you can, see, that is the only way to actually learn the language. It's not just these classes, yeah. Classes will help you get the direction. But ultimately, see, you guys have to really work beyond classes as well, right? So something that I want you to keep at it, keep practicing Duolingo. Duolingo is a great app. Of course, there are a lot of YouTube channels and that you should be following. Like, of course, we have Alexa, right? There are plenty of YouTube channels, right? But the point is that I want you to watch more stuff online, like listen to how actual natives sound like, right? That will really help you learn the language a lot better, a lot faster, right? Going forward, I would like that you actually watch movies. There are movies on Netflix which I would like you guys to watch. You can start with, of course, Emily in Paris, the French parts, yeah. That you can start learning because every season has more French dialogues than the previous one. So in season one, a very limited French dialogues. In season two, there are more. Season three, even more, and season four, even more. Season five is in actually Emily's in Italy, so not too much French you'll get over there. So season four you can watch till over there, but make sure that you're actually working on the French part a lot more. Repeat that particular conversation over and over again, and get the hang of the language. This is something that I want you to work on, and eventually there's a movie also, Honeymoon Crashers. It's on Netflix and it's also very simple. It's A2 level French, which most of you should kind of get it, right? If you're a complete beginner, then it's going to be difficult. But if you have certain level of French, right, which I think by now you guys have, watch Honeymoon Crashers. And if you want something advanced, then you can watch Lupin, in French, Lupin. And my all-time favorite is this one. Uh, what was the name? 10%. 10%. I'll type it in the chat for you guys. This is the best. 10%. What was the English counterpart? The English name for 10%? Has anybody seen 10% or heard of it in English? What's the name in English? Call My Agent. Has anybody seen Call My Agent? It's on Netflix and it's one of the best. It is a little too fast. Probably you'll not get it, but you can listen to English part once and then listen to French part the second time.
Yeah,
Right?
I think I watched English version.
You've seen English version, Call My Agent. It's amazing. It'll give you a deep insight into the cultural part of the corporate, part of France and the corporate terminologies and all of that they use in, corporate French. So there are a lot of episodes, a lot of series, but the thing is that you should be putting yourself out there to really learn this language, right? Listen to French songs, conversations. This Emma in Paris will help. I'll be uploading a lot more content on a regular basis. That should help you, right? And keep on revising. And I'll see you guys tomorrow then. Merci alors. À demain.
Merci.
Merci.
Merci. À demain. À demain.